Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we are diving into what we consider the best graph paper reinforced on the market, the 5-star loose leaf paper with the Study app. Whether you're a student, engineer, or someone who loves precision in their notes, this product stands out for several reasons. First off, the paper itself measures a standard 8-1/2 by 11 inches and comes with 80 heavyweight sheets, each printed with a 4 squares per inch graph rule. This makes it perfect for detailed graphs, charts, or any kind of project requiring exact measurements. What really sets this paper apart is its reinforced design. The loose leaf sheets feature patented triangle-shaped holes and a strong reinforcement tape that not only allows the pages to turn smoothly in any binder but also dramatically reduces tearing. This means your notes and drawings stay intact, even after frequent handling. One of the biggest frustrations with graph paper is ink bleed through, especially when using markers or gel pens. 5-star's heavyweight paper fights ink bleed, providing a clean writing surface on both sides of each sheet. This durability and ink resistance mean your notes will look neat and professional all year long. In addition to the quality of the paper itself, the product integrates with the 5-star Study app, a unique feature designed to enhance your study and organization experience. With this app, you can scan your notes, create instant flashcards, and sync your work to Google Drive. This connectivity makes it easy to access and review your notes anytime, anywhere, bridging the gap between traditional note-taking and digital convenience. Another important point is durability. Independent lab testing shows that this filler paper has double the strength of leading competitors when it comes to tension strength. This reinforces its reputation as a top-quality product designed to last. If you're looking for graph paper that can handle rigorous use without tearing, that supports advanced note-taking through an app, and that fights ink bleed for a clean writing experience, the 5-star loose leaf paper is a solid choice. The combination of reinforced edges, quality heavyweight paper, and the added digital study features make it a must-have for anyone serious about organization and productivity. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in a graph paper solution that balances durability, functionality, and modern tech integration, this is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. See you in the next video.